Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. You guys, in this video, there's not gonna be a lot of talking. I'm just gonna showcase a product, actually a couple products for you, cleaning this steel wheel. This is on my work van, and I had to rotate the tires, and apparently the previous owner never did that. As you can see, this is what the back tire looked like on the inside. It's really, really bad. And I'll show you, this is how it started. You see? And this is after I cleaned this side. Much better. So I am testing a wheel acid from Distinctive Details called Power Clean Acid Wheel Cleaner. There is a time and a place for acid wheel cleaners, in my opinion. This is the time and the place for it right now. No scrubbing is going to be needed to be done. We're just going to wet the wheel, spray it on, let it sit for about a minute, and then we're just going to hose it off, and you guys will see the final result. And then after that, we'll use an iron remover to remove whatever's left on here. And I'll show you that here in a minute. We'll be using Iron X from Extreme Solutions that I sell on the website also. This is not on the website at this moment, but it may be after I get done testing it, because I'm really liking it. And if you decide to buy it, once it is on the website, remember, it is a professional strength. It is very strong. It's not something where you spray on and you just walk away. That would be really, really bad. So it's used at your own risk if you decide to buy it, but let me show you guys. First thing we're gonna do is just rinse it. Okay, I'll show you. Stuff did not come off. It's been on there for a very long time. Wear a glove. Do not breathe this in if you can help it. It's really strong. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit for about a minute. All right, you guys, so that's plenty long enough. Let's rinse it. Okay, so remember, there is no scrubbing involved. Much, much better. Got one spot right here I may not have rinsed very well. Let me try to rinse it again. Yep, and let's just get the bottom of the wheel, just because that's the hardest part to rinse with a pressure washer. So I'm just gonna do it one more time. The downside to acid wheel cleaners, they eat the snot out of any sprayer you put them on, and they start leaking out. It's leaking all over my glove. That's why I'm wearing a glove, so I don't get acid all over my hands. Also trying to not spray the camera, get acid on the camera. That would be bad. All right, now to use Iron X. Turned purple almost instantly. Not going to remove all of it, but I just want to do it because there's going to be a center cap over that anyways. Rinse it off. Dang it, spraying the camera. And just like that, with little to no effort, you guys, this wheel is clean as it's gonna get. I mean, it took all that brown nastiness off. This is actually where the paint's gone now, so it took the rest of the brown off there. Works really well. Very, very easy. Spray on, rinse off. Only in certain situations do I recommend an acid. Like I said, this is one of those situations. This is where you need something like this, but this is the final result. once you have the cap on. Looks really good. See you guys in the next video.